I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can claim your pending Robux on Roblox. So it's pretty simple. You want to come into roblox.com and log in into your account. This is the official website of Roblox. From over here, you can click on your Robux icon at the top right corner and it's going to show you these options. Now in my screen, it's showing me my transition, but in your screen, it might show you the amount of Robux or like the amount of balance you have. You want to click on that or you want to click on my transitions, depending on what it shows you. From over here inside, it's going to show you pending Robux. Now, since I don't have any pending Robux, nothing is being shown over here. But if you have pending Robux, it's going to show you an option called pending Robux. And right beside pending Robux at this section, it's going to show you the amount of Robux that is pending. Now, what you need to do in order to claim the pending Robux is just wait. Pending Robux basically means that the Robux is being transferred to your account. It is just taking a bit of time. And the pending time might be more than 5 days, but less than 30 days. So you need to wait for 5 to 30 days for the Robux to be transferred into your account. You cannot do anything. You cannot click on a button to claim it. You just have to wait because pending Robux means you are going to get the Robux guaranteed unless your account gets hacked or something like that, or you scammed somebody and you took their Robux, then you're not going to get it. But if you got the Robux doing the right thing and it shows you pending Robux, then just wait for 30 days and after 30 days or within 30 days, the pending Robux will be transferred into your account. You don't have to click on any button to claim it. It's automatic. So that's how we guys can claim pending Robux in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.